You wanna know how I make this walnut milk right here? Stay tuned in, family. I'm gonna show you right now. What you wanna do, get your walnuts out. Half a cup. Half a cup is 1 handful, so now you got 1 cup of walnuts in there. And you can just do a slightest bit more. All right, there we go. To give it an amazing taste, unlike any other, this is like the little secret. So you want to put the smallest amount of this in there. If you have the regular vanilla bean, it's a lot better than the extract because the extract has a little trace of alcohol in there. So we just skip the alcohol would be the best. Now you want to do Ceylon cinnamon in there. I say about 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Got a little bit of agave in here. You want to take your Mountain Valley spring water and fill it up all the way to 4 cups. All right, make sure that goes to 4 cups. So this is how we do it every time, and you know, we got different blenders, so it doesn't matter what type of blender you have. Right, just make sure you do 4 cups. Do a tad bit more just to get a little more out of it. If you want to do like the whole entire thing, just add the exact same amount of walnuts the first time you did it. So do double everything. All right. All right. Now, this is what we got. Smells amazing. Okay, let me turn this video around for you. That's it. Got the tea going. So what we're going to use to strain it is this right here. Don't have a nut milk bag, so this will have to do, right? So I'll show you quickly just a little part of this because it's just tedious and it takes like a while. So you just want to make it strain and then save the walnut fiber for cookies. Okay, so save all that walnut fiber. As you can see, I'll show you this walnut fiber. That is as much as you'll get in one little thing. We still got so much more milk. So you'll be left with a lot of walnut fiber, and you can make cookies with it, okay? So made some blueberry muffin cookies last night that were really good. You can make anything with this stuff, right? So drop it into a bowl, keep it going. All right. All the liquid out. Okay. That's the process. Keep going until all the walnut milk is strained. All right. Just let that strain. All right, last little bit. Got that whole thing filled up. Nice thing of walnut milk right there. Keep that walnut fiber. Stay tuned in for what we do with it. I'm gonna make some banana cookies real quick with that. All right, this is what we got. Walnut milk. She got a lot of walnut milk, but that was from yesterday. I like to make fresh walnut milk though. I'm gonna use that stuff from yesterday and then have some fresh stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos and see y'all later, Alkali Warriors.